What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy J Reed for the love of cars. It's hot as hell out here. I just got through changing the plugs on my 1991 Foxbody project car. First time I ever changed plugs, so we're about to start it up to see if I fucked it up. This is what they look like prior to me changing them. I mean, these are the old plugs right here. You see it's fouled pretty bad. Car might be running lean, but this is the EFI, not carbureted, so you just don't know. Some of them don't look as bad as that one did. They're kind of all over the place. But anyway, they're replaced, and now we fixing to start it up. Let's see if it even starts up any better and runs any better. We're gonna take it for a spin too. Okay, get the keys. Started up good, started up fine. I may have did okay. Now we're gonna take it for a test drive and see what it do with that. So when you're changing the plugs in your Foxbody, you don't need all of these special tools. I bought this shit and it was a waste of time because it didn't even fit. All you need is a 5/8 socket, call it a day. Move the air filter out the way when you're working on the passenger side of the motor and keep it pushing. As you can see, it's sounding pretty good. So the one thing I noticed while I was changing the plugs, one failed and I had to go get it under the car. And in the process, I found, it's hot as shit in here. And in the process, I found a wrench. So I'm also hoping I fixed two problems because I noticed something was rattling for the longest on the passenger side front engine bay, but I couldn't figure out what it was. I hope it was that wrench that I found on the A-arm just sitting inside bouncing around, but we are about to see. Let's get through the alleyway. Make a quick block, a quick hit, and see what it do. Mainly what I want to do is test to see if the acceleration is any better. Because on my Vet, you smash that gas and you peel in the tires. On this, you got to build up. So I want to see if those spark plugs helped a little bit. And here we go. So it does feel a little bit responsive, but we're gonna try again on this street. Really explain it. I guess because I guess because it's still new to me. I don't know. And I feel like I can smash on it and beat on it and I really don't give a damn. Whereas the Vet, it's got 455 horsepower to the wheels. So you smash on it, you know, you better, it can get a little jiggy with you. Because I need some tires too. And you really can't do that when the tires are cold. And this, it don't matter if the tires are cold or hot. It's gonna react the same. So we're gonna make a quick block and we're gonna go around and do the same thing again. We're gonna hit it, but not right here. I don't even know how fast I was going. I probably need to plug up the speedometer don't work, so I probably need to plug up my Garmin GPS so I can see how fast I'm going. It ain't that fast. I already know that. We're about to hit this bad boy again. I don't see no cars. So I'm gonna hit it and let's hope it don't fall apart. Okay, feeling pretty good. Now I gotta drive it back home from Mexico. So in that short stint, I don't know, it may be not even an eighth of a mile. It was like 72 miles an hour. So I need to go to the track. Probably can get at least about 80, 85 miles per hour in the eighth. We'll see. But I kind of want to get new tires first, because I'm going to have to drive it to the track and then back home. And these tires are suspect. But anyway, folks, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Keep coming back. Hopefully I can get some track footage for you soon. That was kind of fun. We got the plugs clean. Now my next task is to paint over them damn stars on the front. I don't know why they put them damn stars on the front. But anyway, this your boy Jay Reed. Hit like and subscribe and keep coming back. Peace.